Hey guys, my name is Yunus Khazari and I've been living in China for a few years. In this video we are going to do unboxing and initial review of OnePlus 10 Pro. The box still look very similar to what we have been seeing from them for quite a few years. Let's first get the unboxing out of the way and take a close look. Top of the box we will have some reading material and some OnePlus stickers as well, which they are pretty nice. And there's a welcome letter in Chinese, of course, because it's a Chinese variant. Now at least is exclusive to China, but the global launch is rumored to be in March. After that there's OnePlus 10 Pro, but now I just put it aside and let's see what else we have got in the box. Here we have a TPU colored soft case. It's a green color and there's a embossed OnePlus logo on it. Here we also have a USB type cable and 80-watt SuperVOOC charging adapter, which we have been expecting from OnePlus. That's pretty much in the box. Now it's time to have a look OnePlus 10 Pro. Wow, this is a forest color and it looks very attractive. I will come back after doing setup this phone. When you complete the display, we can see the 3D animated wallpaper. As far as the display, it comes with the big display screen, which is 6.7 inches AMOLED display and 1 billion colors supported this device. It has a maximum 120Hz refresh rate that makes browsing the internet or gaming very smooth, though it adaptively cranks the rate down to even 1 Hz. And it has 3216 pixel resolution rate. This one's also covered by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus and the display is a little bit curved. Bezels should need to improve, as you can see there are some, but anyway it still looks not that bad. Just like previous OnePlus device, the OnePlus 10 Pro also gets an option to use Face Unlock. Unlock your phone in 0.4 seconds with OnePlus Face Unlock. It's instant, convenient, and one of the fastest facial recognition features on any Android smartphone. The fingerprint sensor is under display and it has been moved up on the display in comparison to the previous model. And the good thing is it's water resistant, up to 1.5 meter for 30 minutes. The frame of this device is aluminum and it looks strong. So in the bottom there is a stereo speaker and next to it there's a USB Type-C charging port. And unfortunately we can't extend the storage and it's a dual nano SIM slot. So we also get a Gorilla Glass on the back. As you can see, OnePlus logo is embossed on the back. On the right side, there is a power button and a small switch for silent and vibrate your device. On the left side, there is a volume rocker. This phone comes with two colors. One is the black and the second is the forest color, which you are seeing in this video. Let's finally talk pricing the OnePlus 10 Pro. It's the same price as the OnePlus 9 Pro did last year in China. It comes with three variants. Prices of these three variants are shown in this video. This Chinese variant has Google Play settings in this device, so it won't be any problem for you. I also installed Play Store for double check, so you can see it's working very well. The OnePlus 10 Pro is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip and CPU is octa-core, so for gaming the RAM can be extended up to 3 GB. The OnePlus 10 Pro runs ColorOS 12 in China based on Android 12. Battery life was one area where the OnePlus 9 fell short, so that's why the OnePlus 10 Pro improved it by bumping up the capacity to 5000 mAh. That too with even fast charging speeds. The OnePlus 10 Pro supports up to 80-watt SuperVOOC fast charging along with 50-watt fast wireless charging. OnePlus 10 Pro also get a 32 megapixel lens snapper on the front for selfie and video chat. OnePlus 10 Pro comes with rear camera setup, a 48 megapixel main camera, a 8 megapixel telephoto lens with 3.3x zoom, and a 50 megapixel ultra camera with a maximum 150-degree field of view.
since I fell in love. But after last time, don't wanna mess things up. You're so beautiful, and I can't deny. My heart is always with you, my head's always.
Hope do you really do like my first unboxing video in English. If you are here to support me, then please consider to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.